Okay, so we're going to go over the basic sample and operation of the Sysmex XP-300. So Jillian is going to demonstrate how we run a sample on this analyzer. So Jillian's going to grab her sample, and what we need to do is we need to actually enter in the sample identification. So you're going to click the area that says sample ID, and then you're going to enter your number. And then once you do that, you hit enter. And now it has his sample. So now it's actually telling you what to do. It says set a mixed sample to the sample probe and press the start switch. So first, Jillian needs to invert her sample. Mix it a few times. It's been on the rocker, so it's well mixed already. And remember, when you open your tubes, you're going to open with the gauze or Kim wipes over the cap, and you're going to open away from you, so the aerosol goes away from your face. So pop it out away from you. Okay? Yes, like that. All right, and what you do is you put your sample into, you want to make sure that it's selected on whole blood. The PD means pre-dilution. You don't want to use that unless you have a pre-diluted sample. So Jillian's going to put her sample onto the sample probe. So just put it right in there, all the way in, and then push the button behind it, the blue button, with your fingers. And you're going to listen for 2 beeps. And now you can pull your tube down. Pull it out before it does that. Okay. All right, and recap your sample. And you'll see the arrows on the screen will actually tell you that it's running. And so the sample has been aspirated, so now it's running its measurement. It only takes a few minutes, so it's not a very long process. Once the analyzer puts up the results, you'll get the results on the screen, and it'll actually print out the CBC part, and you'll have to scroll forward to get the differential results. The differential results don't print out on the strip. Okay, so here comes the sample. All right, and then as it's running, all right, so you got good results. There's a little flag on the platelets. So platelets are a little low, they're 112, so under 150 is where we would start seeing bleeding problems, so it's gonna flag that. So now you wanna look at the diff results that didn't print. So you go to result, so click result, all right, and now it comes up. If you want to come closer and take a peek, if you can come here. So Jillian, I'll have you do it. So you push the arrow, the green arrow on the bottom, and you arrow over. Yep, push that, and it's going to give you, there's your whites count, so your 4.1 white count, and there's your differential. And then you go to the next page, and this will be your last, and it pulls out the full CBC for you. And that's it.